I'm Thomas, I'm a principal graphics engineer. Today I was presenting what it means to be a graphics engineer to kids in school. What I find really exciting about being an engineer, it's about solving problems, real-world problems that exist around us and finding good solutions to bring these ideas to life. It's really about inspiring the next generation to become engineers, consider doing careers in STEM.
We had Huawei in school today just to go through the software development of the company and kind of talk more about games and the coding behind that.
On the workshop, we placed the sphere on the frame and then we changed its color, we changed the scene's color, and I did the movement of the scene itself.
It's not so much about the hard skills, it's really about the passion. It might be graphics engineering or it might be civil engineering. It doesn't matter, it's about the passion. What I find really fascinating is all the questions I got and all the experience some of the students already had.
Thomas came in and talked about what he has been doing for the past few years, and in the future I would like to do a PLC course in engineering and then a general's degree in engineering.
For me, coding is like my lifestyle. I'm doing coding for 3 years. I'm going to be probably software engineer.
It was very intriguing just to see what's out there and see what they could possibly be doing in college.
People coming in and showing you their path and where they are in life and how they got there. It opens your eyes. I feel like I would consider a career in engineering.
I think as an engineer, the coding languages are just a tool, right? It's not so much writing the code itself, it's about the process to bring the code to life. And at some point, when you understand the logic behind a programming language, if you understand how to build a program itself, you can write in any languages.
I'd like to have him back again because it was very beneficial for some of our 5th year and 6th year students. And I think it is one of those roles that is becoming more and more valuable.
I'm honest with myself, probably one, at best, will be really pursuing that career. But if I inspired one to consider engineering as a whole discipline, not only graphics, it would be something, yeah.